Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
Counting Crows, where photojournalist Steve Jennings catches up with the audio crew on the band's Banshee Season 2023 tour. Check it out. Reggae rockers Slightly Stoopid and Sublime with Rome are on their Summertime 2023 tour, and Front of House is there to capture all the action. With the current boom in audio upgrades, we visit some church installs with an eye towards improved musicality and vocal intelligibility where the word is all important. This blockbuster sci-fi classic film comes to the Broadway stage as a musical romp. Brian Reisman chats with sound designer Gareth Owen about the project.
our buyer's guide this month focuses on
Condenser vocal microphones. Dynamic microphones may be the workhorse of the industry, but condenser models can provide that perfect balance of power, clarity, and vocal detail for your production. In Perspectives, 3 regional audio providers speak out on how they are employing JBL Pro's SRX 900 rigs in their daily operations. Steve Lacera looks into WMAS, Wireless Multi-Channel Audio Systems, a proposed solution for the current RF channel crunch, and looks into why this may just be the future of wireless. Performers that cup or pop mics can create havoc for sound engineers, but rather than look for some new plug-in or technology solution, John McJunkin suggests that a few minutes working with the vocalist can reap huge benefits.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.